Hi, I'm Jonathan. It's really great to be able to join you for this assembly. We're going to have an assembly this week and next week where we're going to think about the Christmas story and about two groups of people who visited Jesus after he'd been born. Next week, Peter Churcher is going to talk about the wise men and how they visited Jesus. This week, we're going to think about the shepherds and how they visited Jesus. You may remember the story. They were up at night watching their sheep when suddenly an angel appeared and told them about Jesus. And when they heard about Jesus, they rushed on down to Bethlehem to find the newborn baby, and they worshipped him. Well, I just want to think about three things that we see from the shepherds. First thing is this: Christmas is for everyone. Christmas is for everyone. Have you ever wanted to be a superhero? I wonder, if you could be a superhero, what superpower would you choose? Or would you choose to do something like flying through the air? Would that be the kind of thing that you'd like to do? Well, the reality is that we're not superheroes. We're really ordinary people, aren't we? And the shepherds were also really ordinary people. And yet God chose those ordinary shepherds to be the first people to hear about Christmas. So Christmas is for everyone. The second thing is this: Christmas is for celebrating. Christmas is for celebrating. Now, after the first angel spoke to the shepherds, many others appeared, and they all spoke together, saying, "Glory to God in the highest." So if the angels celebrated Christmas, it must be worth celebrating. Well, thirdly, Christmas is for finding Jesus. Christmas is for finding Jesus. See, those shepherds, when they heard about Jesus, they ran down to Bethlehem as quick as they could to find him. And when they found him, they worshipped him because Jesus had come to rescue us from our sins. And the shepherds show us that at the heart of Christmas, it's about finding Jesus. So this Christmas, I wonder if you can try and be like those shepherds and look for Jesus. Will you find out more about him? Because he's the one who came to this world to give us hope. So, Christmas is for everyone, Christmas is for celebrating, and Christmas is for finding Jesus. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you have a great time hearing about the wise men next week. God bless you and happy Christmas.